Good morning, students.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Exercise 2.3.
Yes, sir.
Now, student, question number. Solve the following equation and check your results. Students, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are in homework. I am doing question number 8. In WhatsApp class, we have already discussed these previous questions. Now, student, 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now, students, we will rearrange the variable on left hand side and constant term from in right hand side. Students, variable in a left hand side 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15. Student, plus sign is changed into minus sign, and that is 3, plus sign changed into minus sign, that is minus 1. Now, student, we will take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 15 is
15.
very good, students.
15.
Now, student, 2x 3 5s are how many times 3 come in table of 3? 3 5s are 15.
5.
Now, student, 7x. How many times? How many times 15 come in table of 15? 15 1 are 15. 1 times. 3 minus 1 2. Now, student, 10x minus 7x.
7x upon 15 is equals to 3x upon 15.
Now, student, cross multiplication. That is 2 by 1. Cross multiplication. Now, 1 is multiplied to 10x minus 7x and 2 is multiplied to 15. We get 10x minus 7x, that is 3x multiplied, that is 2 student 2 into 15. Now, students, 10x minus 7x
3x.
3x multiplied with 1. Student, 2 into 15 30. 30. We have to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, 30 divided by 3. X is equal to 10.
10.
X is equal to 10. Now, student, we will verify it. Verification. We will verify it. Students, verify it. Now, student, verification.
So may I solve the next question?
Student, what is your left hand side? Left hand side is 2x by 3
Plus 1.
plus 1. That is 2. What is x? Replace x with 10.
Sir, x is 10, so 2 into 10 is upon 3 plus 1.
2 times are
20.
20 by 3 plus 1. Student, LCM is 3.
Next is Yes, sir. 20 plus 3.
3. 1 3 are 3. Now student, your left hand side is 23 by 3.
23 upon 3.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Student, do it fast. Now right hand side is right hand side.
The 7x upon 15 plus 3.
7x
Is equals to 7x 3 10 plus so 7x to 10.
now student replace x with 10.
10 upon 15 plus
Plus 3.
7 2s are now 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 7 2s are 14 by 3.
14 plus 3 by 3.
Student 3 by 1.
14 by 3 plus 6.
Now student take the LCM.
LCM is equal to
3.
40
3 1s are 3.
Plus 3.
Now student 3 as it is. How many times 3 come in table of 1? 1 3s are 3.
3 times 3 times
14 3 3s are 9 upon 3. That is 14 plus 9.
23
Now student left hand side is equal to right hand side.
23 by 3.
That is 23 by 3.
Yes, sir.
23 by 3. Student, hands verified. Hands verified. Student, any doubt, any problems?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Do it fast. Now student, exercise 2.3. Question number 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3
Minus 1.
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Now student, we have the to find the value of y, we will transfer variable on one side and constant term on one side. Student, we will transfer minus y from right hand side to left hand side to y, that is minus plus y. Now student, 26 by 3 plus 5 by 3 change into minus 5 by 3. Now student, 2y plus y. 2y plus y. That is 3y.
3y.
Student, take the LCM. That is 3. 26 minus 5. That is 3y. 26 minus 5. That is 21 by 3.
21 by 3.
Now student, 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. To find the value of y, now student, y is equal to 7 by 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Do it fast. 9th. Question number 9, verification. Verification. Student, left hand side is 2y plus 5 by 3.
2y to 5.
Students, y is, what is y?
7 by 3.
Replace y with 7 by 3. That is 5 by 3. Now student 2 sevens are
14.
14 by 4.
14.
That is 5 by 3. Now student take the LCM of that is
19 by
3.
So 19 by 3.
Now student 14 plus 5. That is 19 by 3. 19 by 3. 19 by 3. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, right hand side. Right hand side. That is 26 by 3
Minus 5.
minus 1. Now student, take the LCM. Replace y with 7 by 3. LCM is 3. 26 minus 7. That is 19 by 3.
19 by 3.
Now student, left hand side is equal to right hand side.
Yes.
That is 19 by 3. Hence verified. Hence verified. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Do it fast. Students, Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplied the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Student, question number 1, exercise 2.4. Let the number be. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Student, we have to subtract 5 by 2 from x. Student, according to questions. According to question. Student, subtract 5 by 2 from x, that is x minus 5 by 2. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
C multiply the result by 8. Student, C multiply the result by 8. The result now obtained is equal to 3 times the same number C thought of. 3 times the same number C thought of. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now students, multiply it. 8 into x. 8 into x. 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2. Student, you can multiply it. 8 into x minus 8 into 5 by 2, that is equal to 3x.
30 by 2.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now student, it becomes 8x minus 4 5s are 20, that is equal to 3x.
Yes.
Now student, 8x. Now we will transfer 3x from right hand side to left hand side, that is 3x. Now student, minus 20 is transferred from left hand side to right hand side, that will becomes 20 plus 20. Now students, 8x minus 3x, 5x. is 20. Now student, what is x? 20 divided by 5.
20.
X is equal to 4. Now student, the required number is 4. The required number is 4. The required number is 4. Is 4. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Do it fast. Question number 2. Students, a positive number is 5 times another. A positive number is 5 times another. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Student, let first number be. Let first number be. Bx. Students, a positive number is 5 times. 5 times. And second number b. Second number b. 5 times. That is 5x. That is 5x. Students, if 21 is added to both the number, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new numbers. According to questions. According to question. Students, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then this number is new number. New number means 5x plus 21. New number is twice. New number becomes twice. Twice means 2 times. This is 2 times in comparison of this. 2 times. अगर हम x में और 5x में 21 ऐड करते हैं तो दिस नंबर, ये जो नंबर है आपका, ये इसके कंपैरिजन में ट्वाइस 2 टाइम्स अधिक हो रहा है. तो हमें क्या करना है, इसको इक्वल करने के लिए टू इक्वलाइज इट we will multiply this by 2. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, हमने इसको मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया, इसको मल्टीप्लाई क्यों? Student, this is already greater than this. ये क्या है, इससे ऑलरेडी क्या है, इससे अधिक है. तो टू इक्वलाइज इट we will multiply it by 2. Student, हमेशा कम वाले को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. Any doubt? Yes, students, any doubt, any problems?
I didn't understand, sir. Is it mandatory to multiply by 2 only?
Yes, mandatory. 2 times. 2 times means multiply by 2.
Sir, can you explain one more time?
Student multiplied it. That is 2 into x. 2x. 2 into 21. That is 42. That is 5x plus 21. Now student, 42 minus 21. 42 minus 21. That is equal to 5x. Student, we will transfer 2x plus 2x from left hand side to right hand side. So plus 2 change into minus 2, minus 2x. Now student, 42 minus 21, that is 21. 5x minus 21, that is 3x. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, 21 divided by 3, that is x. 3 ones are 3, 3 7 are 21. Student, x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Now the required first number is, therefore required first number required first number B.
Yes, sir.
Number B, that is X 7. Required second number B. Second number B. Five into 7, that is 5 7 35. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Your first number is X and second number is 35. I want to give an example. Student, this is 35. Student, in 35, this is your unit digit number. This is your unit digit number. Unit digit number is 5. And tens digit is 3. 5 marks detected. 5 marks detected. In the internal assessment, 35. Unit digit 5, 10 digit is 3. Now student, how can you make the numbers? How can you make the numbers? Student, you will multiply 10 digit by 10. 10 digit by 10. Unit digit by 1. 100 digit by 100. 1000 digit by 1000. Student, required number B. Required number B. Student, we will multiply 10 digit by 10. 10 digit by 10. 10 into 3. Unit digit by 1. 1 into 5. 10 into 3. 30 plus 5. Student, any doubt, any problem in this concept?
No, sir.
Now student, let the unit digit of the number B. Let unit digit of the number B. X. Students, sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 9. Student, there are two numbers in which one is X, second will be 9 minus X. Student, sum of two number is 9. If unit digit is X, 10 digit will be 9 minus X. 10 digit B. 10 digit of the number B. Of the number B. Student, what will be 9 minus X? Student, any doubt? Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, original number B. Original number B. Original number B. Student, it is your 10 digit number. We will multiply 10 digit number by 10. 10 digit number by 10. Multiply 10 digit number by 10. 9 minus X. And unit digit number by 1. That is 1 X. Student, any doubt, any problem in this concept? Student, any problems? Student, now multiply it. 10 into 9, 90 minus 10x plus x. Now student, it will become 90 minus 10x plus x. Minus 10x plus x. Minus plus minus and greater value is minus sign, that is minus 9x. Student, any problem, any doubt in this concept on interchanging digits? on interchanging digits. Student, now you will interchange the digits. Students, unit digit will become 10 digits and 10 digit will become unit digit. Student, अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट में आपकी यूनिट डिजिट क्या है, 10 डिजिट हो जाएगी और 10 डिजिट क्या है, यूनिट डिजिट हो जाएगी. ठीक है. और इंटरचेंजिंग डिजिट्स, इंटरचेंज करें डिजिट्स को. और इंटरचेंजिंग डिजिट्स, इंटरचेंजिंग और इंटरचेंजिंग डिजिट्स we get unit digit b, unit digit will be unit digit b. स्टूडेंट 10 डिजिट जो है वो यूनिट डिजिट हो जाएगी. 10 डिजिट यूनिट डिजिट. ये जो आपकी 10 डिजिट है ये क्या हो जाएगी, यूनिट डिजिट हो जाएगी. इंटरचेंज कर रहे हैं इसको. 9 minus x and unit digit and 10 digit b, 10 digit b x. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Required new number b. Required new number b. Now student, your 10 digit number is x. We will multiply 10 digit number by 10 plus unit digit number by 1, that is 9 minus x. Now student, 10 into x, that is 10x plus 1 into 9, 9 minus x. Student, 10x minus x, that is 9x plus 9. 9x plus 9. Now students, when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is 9x plus 9 is greater than the original number by 27. Now student, 9x plus 9, this is your new number, is greater than 27 by the original number 90 minus 9x. Now student, according to question, 90 minus 9x, that is 9x plus 9. Now students, 9x plus 9, that is required new number. This is 27 greater than this number. Now we will, to equalize it, we will add 27 to this side. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, to equalize it, student, 9x plus 9, that is your new number. This number is 27 greater than original number 90 minus 9x. It means original number जो है और 90 minus 9x 27 कम है. इससे 9x plus 9 न्यू नंबर से. To equalize it, इसको बराबर करने के लिए हम इसमें 27 ऐड कर देते हैं. Now student, 27 plus 90 plus 9 from right hand side to left hand side, 9x plus 9x. Now student, 27 plus 90, that is 170. 170 minus 9 is equal to 18x. 117 minus 9, 108 is equal to 18x. 108 divided by 18, that is x. 18 1 is 18, 18 6 is 108. Now student, x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Now therefore original number b, original number की. What is original number? 90 minus 9x. Student, replace x with 6. 90 minus 9 into 6. That is 90 minus 54. Student, that will be equal to 36.